another Microsoft Azure vlog on going through different things. This one is restricting deployments to a specific location using the Azure policy. So we have to go to the Azure portal, which I've already gone ahead and done. Then we have to create a resource. So I assume it's in resource groups. No, it's not just that. In the search box, press enter. Oh, you gotta read the full thing. Read, enter resource group in the search box, and enter. Then you're taken. If you're taken to a search results pane, select resource groups from the results. Then select create. Then select create. Enter the following values for each setting. So we're going to select create. And then our Azure subscription, which is already in there, my test RG. Server's correct, so then that's it. You can create and then select create, so review and create. Done, create, validating, resource group is created. So now we're going to go to explore predefined policies. Before you configure your locations policy, let's take a brief look at some of the predefined policies. As an example, you'll look at policies that relate to Azure compute services. In the Azure portal, at the top of the page, select Home and return to the Start page. At the top of the page, enter policy into the search bar and then select policy from the list of results to access Azure policy. Under overriding, select definitions. There's definitions. In the category drop-down list, select only compute. Notice that all the allowed virtual machine SKUs definition enables you to specify a set of virtual machines SKUs that your organization can deploy. So allowed, that is a lot. So allowed virtual machine SKUs. That is amazing. Okay, so is there like a in the category drop compute? So do we have to like go through all of them? Like, there we go. Now we can select just the computes. And then allowed virtual machine SKU's definition enables you to specify a set of virtual machine SKUs your organization can deploy. Right, so here's all of that in the compute definitions. From the policy pane, under authorizing, wow, that took me a while to figure out. From the policy pane, under authorizing, select assignments. An assignment is a policy that has been assigned to take place within a specific scope. For example, a definition could be assigned to a subscription scope. Select assign policy. You're taken to the assign policy pane. Under scope, select ellipsis. Select the ellipsis. Subscription field to your observer subscription. Resource group to my test RG. Select. Right. Now under policy definition, select the ellipsis in the search bar and enter location. Which part was that policy definition? And then in the search bar we're putting in location. Allowed locations. Select. Next to the parameters tab. And then select US East. Correct. East US. East US. East US. Then select review and create, and then select create. You'll see the allowed locations policy assignment is not listed on the policy assignment, but it enforces the policy on the My Test RG resource group. From the Azure portal at the top of the page, select home to return to the start. Select create a resource. Enter the storage account in the search box and press enter. Enter storage account in the search box. Enter. If you're taken to a search results pane, select storage account from the results and select create and enter the following values. Storage account, create, following values. So our Azure subscription, My Test RG for the resource group, just in case, My Test RG, storage account name. Gonna make the NNN thing, and then we can just that works. Is a Pacific. Japan East. There. Performance. Standard. Storage v2. We're doing redundancy. Local redundant. So you can see that here before we even go into it, but if you can create and then validation failed, required information is missing or not valid. So here's an example of the deployment details for the storage account. Delete the policy assignment. You no longer need the policy assignment. Here you're moving from your subscription. From the Azure portal, select home, policy. Under authorizing, select assignments. On the allowed locations row, select the ellipsis and then select delete assignment. When prompted, select yes. Ellipsis. Delete assignment, yes. Cool. Now you're going to delete the resource group. You no longer need the resource group. Here's how you remove it. So we're gonna go home. Resource groups. Select overview, delete resource group. Okay. My test. It's deleting it. And after that, that's about it. So, yeah, then after that, we created a resource group, defined some policies, configured one, and then attempted to put something in with the policy, and it wouldn't let it do it because the policy wouldn't let it. So yeah, now it's deleted. We can go home, and it won't be there. It's still there, but it'll update here in a couple of seconds. That's it for this vlog. Yeah, that's about it for this one. I don't think there'll be another one until the next unit.